Christus. You know, on my way to this event, I left behind gradually calming, but still rather volatile and choppy weather in Moscow, only to be greeted by extremely unfriendly skies over parts of Europe. At the same time, from my professional experience of lately, I know that there are dark and unfriendly clouds brewing constantly over Washington and our bilateral relationship. So you can imagine and hopefully appreciate the delightful relief that I felt coming to sunny California. Finding myself in this high-tech heaven surrounded by gurus and angels discussing in a relaxed and, for a change, constructive fashion, various matters of universal importance. Matters that are serving one common goal of bettering the quality of human life. And looking at this, I thought to myself that it is extremely important, especially at times like we are experiencing right now, to maintain joint focus on issues that are unifying, of issues that are transcending borders and nuanced political interests and views. Of such issues, I can name a few. For example, innovation-driven socioeconomics, space exploration that has already been mentioned, maintaining and developing presence in the Arctic, resource preservation, reaching the next level of overall efficiency, training the new generation of human capital, people with not constrained by their bureaucratic imagination will probably add to that list. And you know, curiously enough, we both in the Russian and the US government in the recent years have tried to make this type of agenda, if not prevalent, but at least important and significant enough to our relationship for it not to be easily discarded. Unfortunately, we were not quick enough to capitalize on this idea. As you know, a year ago, this niche market was abruptly filled with quite different rhetoric and thinking that is contrary to pragmatic approaches and long-term necessity. But that's the situation we've got. And even in this situation, I remain optimistic. I think that the idea is not lost. It is still out there. It is not owned by anyone. It is not patented or legally protected by any other means. And in the time, in the interim, that the arguing government hands cannot steadily hold its banner, someone else should step in and take the lead. That is why I think that forums like GTS, even though they were important from their inception, in current times become ever more critical for maintaining, for preserving the lines of communication that we all need, for providing a platform for politically unhindered, constructive, and mutually beneficial dialogue. And that is why I think that we owe a great level of gratitude and support to Sasha Johnson and her team for putting this event together. And hopefully many more years to come. Cheers.